Good morning, guys. Please check your audio and video settings. Please check your audio and video settings. Yesterday, I got problem in internet all of a sudden. So that's why I couldn't continue the session. And yesterday, all classes got cancelled. I got network issue. Sorry for the trouble that you faced yesterday. Inform to all your friends. So today's session will be there and it will be back. Once again, sorry for the trouble. Fine, because I couldn't even inform that session got cancelled. I hope my admin people informed you session got cancelled because all of a sudden some technical issue has come. Internet stopped working in my apartment area. So yesterday I called some technician. He came and he solved the problems. Okay. Today I just taken some extra precautions. Okay. So before start the session only, I kept all three windows ready. All three windows ready so that we can save our time opening windows and all the things. Fine. Shall we start the work? Okay. What yesterday we are talking about practicals, boss. We are purely talking about practicals. Shall we start the process now? Yes. Step number, okay. Admin activities ready, boss. So I have taken fresh repository. Wait, it will come. NIT Citibank Repo 1. NIT. Okay, Citibank Repo 1. Repository is this. Remember this repository. This is the URL. Okay, boss. After that, developers and TL activities. Take three Eclipse window having three different workspaces. One for TL, two for developers. Yes, this is for developer 1. This is for developer 1. This is for team leader. This is for developer 2. Total 3 windows are taken. Okay. Pointing to 3 different workspaces. Next, step number 2. Configure username, mail ID to identify each user. Okay. So I have gone to TLIDE. Okay. Window menu, preferences, team. Anyhow, recorded session will be there. You can collect it in the document which I am going to share. From there also you can get. Git. In the Git we have configuration. Okay, this is TLWS here, configuration. So now let me add, what is this? TL name is equal to TL. TL name is equal to TL. Apply and close. That is done. Next, after that, make dev1, dev2 configuring their IDEs. Okay, now next one. Make TL to create Java. This one, step 3. Clone remote repository by giving URL to create local repository. That work already I have done. Everyone getting my point there or not? Yes, that work is already done. Next, let me create a project. So cloning is over. After that, what next? Make TL to create Java project and keep that one in what? Remote repository. So it is TL machine. You will enjoy session like anything. Please focus. Here is my what? Project. Okay, I will take a name of the project as demo pros. I'll take the name of the project as what? Demo pros. As I said, say next. Demo pros 1. Demo pros 1. I said, na, TL will create initial directory structure, initial packages, and he will keep that one in the repository. He will keep that one in the repository. Fine. So here I will try to create initial directory structures also. You will try to create initial directory structures also. Don't worry, small delay will be there because 3 windows I have opened, na? That's why. Nothing to worry. Small delays. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. Yes. Right click, new package. Right click, new package. Yes. I'm going to show from the scratch level. Don't worry. Com dot nt dot test. Com dot nt dot test. Some package one is added. Let me add one more package. New package com dot nt dot beans. Com dot nt dot some wording. Don't worry. So don't think that serious programming part on this. Okay, he's also keeping one common utility file. Common utility file. So let us assume that common utility file name is utility.java. See boss, any name I can give. Some .java, some utility code I am keeping here. Okay. Utility.java. Utility.java. Is also coming. Utility.java. Utility.java. That's fine. Let me open this. Let me open this. It will be a bit slow. Don't worry. 3 windows are there, and yes, be mentally prepared. Here I am writing small method. I am writing one small method. What is that? Public date. Okay, get sys date. Public date, get sys date. Return. Okay, new date of. Return new date of. Control plus shift plus O. Java.util.date of. Control plus shift plus O. Java.util.date of. Java.util.date of. Okay, here date class object is created. So I think font should be increased. 1 minute. Let me increase the font a little bit. Text appearance, colors and this. Yes. Edit. Edit control plus plus also you can say, not like that. Okay. 14. Control plus plus also you can say. Okay, fine. We got something like this. Now, what is the next step, boss? What's the next step? Make TL to create project. Keep that project in the repository. Okay. Keep that project in the repository. Keep that project in the repository. From where? TL. From where? Which workspace? TL workspace. I have to do this work in what? TL workspace. Okay. There is a staging tab. There is a staging tab. Okay. Now keep that staging tab open. Right click team. First time na share project. Indirectly push only. Which repository? Yes, whatever it is appearing, you can take that. Save finish. Save finish. Save finish. Taking time, boss. Give some time. No repository is selected. Why no repository is selected? Here selected now. One repository is selected. Okay. Once again, let me do that work. Team commit. Okay, fine. Drag and drop all the things to. Drag and drop all the things to staged one. Here, initial, what is that? Import, initial import. Some message, relevant message, relevant message. Click on commit and push. Click on commit and push. Say next. Click on commit and push. Say next. Say finish. Say finish. Say finish. Yes, message has come. First it will keep in local repository, then it will keep in remote repository. Let me confirm this. Okay, first let me keep in remote repository. Later it will keep in remote repository. So go to what? Where all local repositories will be there here. See, users folder. Users folder. Bit slow will be there because we have opened multiple windows. Be mentally prepared for that. So because users, admin is our username, git is the folder. Yes, in the local repository we got everything here or not there? Yes. Okay, now you observe. Okay, in the remote repository also same thing will be there. Go to the repository. No, every time we need not to check. I'm just confirming once. Here also demo pros one has come. Here also everything is pushed. NT beans. Come on. Pushda, not pushda. Everything is pushed. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Yes. Okay, boss. Now let's come back to this. Video is not coming. Screen is freezed. Video is not coming. Now, all are coming or not coming? Now everything back to normal. Okay. Back to normal. See, when more people are joining, these technical issues are coming. Please. Yesterday also we got technical issue from my side. Jumi is also giving some troubles. Be mentally prepared because it's a virtual meeting. Be mentally prepared for problems. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Okay. Screen is coming, Ra Babu. Screen is coming. Check your network settings only. Fine. I'm telling it as, see boss, it is there in local repository. Git admin folder, local repository. It is also there in remote repository, github.com. Okay, github.com. It is there in the remote repository. Fine. So now what is the next step? Make dev1, dev2 configuring their IDEs and also make them to create local repositories. So now what I do is, this is my dev2 machine. This is my dev2 machine. Acha, only one window is coming. Okay, got it. So 1 minute, I will go to, I'll go to what? New share. I'll try to share my entire desktop where I can get entire desktop option. 1 minute. Entire desktop option is where? Entire desktop option is where? Array. Where is the option of sharing desktop, Ra Babu? Eclipse page is share screen, new share. Acha, 1 minute. Some scarce sharing option they have disabled, it seems. Stay connected. Don't go here and there. Give me 2 minutes time. Your share screen is not coming properly. Get to paint brush. Show all windows. Our entire desktop sharing is where, Ra Babu? We are able to see only TL workspace. What about remaining two windows? What about remaining two windows? Give me 2 minutes time. Some technical problem has come. బాబు మొత్తం మొత్తం డెస్క్టాప్ షేర్ కావట్లేదు. నేను ఒక విండో ఓపెన్ చేస్తా, ఒక విండోనే షేర్ అవుతుంది. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి తొందరగా. స్టాప్ షేర్ చేశారు. విండో స్క్రీన్ ఉంది ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్. Guys, come back. I think now you are able to see. Now you are able to see now. Guys, come back. Now please come back. Yes. Okay. TL workspace has kept the project. Now listen everyone. Now it is there in local repository. Also there in what? Remote repository. What do you say? Come back. It is also there in the remote repository. And what is my next point? Make dev1, dev2 configuring their IDEs and also make them to create local repository. And if needed, check out the project also. If needed, check out the project. Now this is my dev1 machine. Clone git repository. Clone git repository. Clone git repository. Okay, fine. You have to copy paste from here, boss. Go to this. Okay, what is this? NIT Citibank Repo 1. NIT Citibank Repo 1. Yes, here we'll be having URL. Here you'll be having URL. So how to get the URL? Okay. If you go here, you will get the URL, boss. Yes, take the URL, copy this. From clone and download, you will get the URL. Copy this. Okay, developer 1. Yes, say paste. Developer 1, say paste. Username, passwords are already given. Say next. Say next. Say next. I want to create local repository folder for dev1. dev1 hyphen local, dev1 hyphen local, save finish, save finish, save finish, dev1 hyphen local, save finish. Cloning processing is going on, cloning process is happening. Yes, it is automatically imported also. Did you notice it? And let me do same thing in what? Dev2. Let me do same thing in what? Dev2. Select this, clone git repository, clone git repository. Clone git repository. In companies, you cannot see remote repository. I'm just showing for knowledge sake. That's it. Clone git repository. Wait for some time. Yeah, wait for some time. Yes, I have to demonstrate with the 3 windows here. No option. Otherwise, can we adjust with the 2 windows? TL will send repository link to developers. Yes. TL will send repository URL to developers. Can we adjust with the 2 windows, one TL and one developer? I think third window is becoming heavy. Okay. So then what we do is we will take one TL and one developer. I'm only 2 windows we will take because same field will come here. Anyhow, two developers or 3 developers are same field will come. So here is developer 2. I'm closing this developer 2. I'm closing this what developer 2 because we cannot waste our time in this process. So yes, end workspace. Okay, that's gone. We have now only 2 windows. Now we have only 2 windows. One is a TL, one is a developer. Okay, come on. Everyone come back, come back. Fine. Next, step number 7. Step number 7. Make developer 1 adding new resources to project. New resources to project. Completing is a task. Completing is a task. Completing is what task? Super. Make developer 1 adding new resources. Yes. So here is what? Demo pros 1. Here what? Demo pros 1. Wait, bit time it taking, no problem. So we kill the unnecessary processes. Right. Zoom meetings only taking much memory. Remaining all are basic things only. Yes, developer 1 boss, com.nt.beans. What dot beans here? Com.nt.beans. So observe very carefully, since file is not there, test package has not come. Did you realize that? Since no files are there in the test package has not come. Only beans package has come. That means one or other file should be there in order to bring it. So what I do is, before completing this work, so I will make my TL. I will make my TL first adding something in what? Test package. So that test package also appears here. Okay. I'll make TL to add something here in this place also. Okay. See, don't worry about the real code. I'm just writing some dummy lines. Don't worry about this. Test.java, I added it. test.java, added it. Now you have to, yeah, you may say kind of bug also as on today. Okay. So see here, the moment you added, you need not to commit separately here. The wherever modifications are done, okay, wherever modifications are there, they are reflecting to what this place. You have to place this one. So test.java added. What dot added? Test.java added. One commit message. So commit and push. Then you say what? Commit and push. Then you simply say what? Commit and push. Then you simply say commit and push. Then you simply say what? Commit and push. Say close. See, as whenever anything is done, it is generating some hash codes. So now go to developer one machine. We should get those changes. We should get those changes. If you want to get those changes, if you want to get those changes, we have to go for pull operation, fetch operation or pull operation. Yes. What is the option we are having? What is the option we are having? Team here, team here. Fetch from origin. When you use fetch from origin, what happens? Changes will not reflect to the Eclipse. Changes will not reflect to the Eclipse, but it will reflect to the local repository. Dev1 local repository, demo pros1, src, com.nt. 1 minute. Array hash code will act as a revision number. Hash code will act as a revision number. Every hash code that is acted as what? Revision number. Is that clear? 1 minute. 1 minute. I will make my dev1 to pull the things. To pull the things. Team 1. Here what is there? Pull option is there. What option? Pull. Yes, pull. So when you pull, he is getting test package. Inside the test package, he is getting test.java. Did you realize that? Did you realize that? See, the file added by TL is now coming to what? The file added by TL is now coming to developer. Did you realize that? Okay. I will change this one accordingly. Okay. I will change this one accordingly. Make TL to add. I want to use same ID, but another project put in other GitHub account. No, yeah. One simple theory, boss. You have to add multiple repositories. First, concentrate on single repository. Now, worst fellow. Okay, make TL to add new resources. Make TL to add new resources. Okay, resources and performing push. Like, okay, com.ent.test. Here is my what? A.java. Otherwise, test.java. Okay, test.java. Step number 8. Make dev1 performing. Okay, performing fetch oblique. Pull is better option here. Pull operation. Fetch oblique pull operation. Okay, to get the TL changes. 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 Okay, boss. To simply get the changes done by TL, we have to do that. Yes. Okay, boss. Now we will see modifications are reflecting on ATA. Utility.java one file here. Utility.java one file here. Meanwhile, let me prepare our plan. Step number 9. Step number 9. Make dev1 modifying modifying resources, and performing commit and push. Performing, what is that? Commit and push operations. Performing commit and push operations. Performing commit and push operations. Yes. Here is our test.java. I'm wantedly adding one main method. I'm wantedly adding one main method. So how to add the main method, my dears? Yeah, IDs will be a bit slow because, as I said now, multiple things are happening. This is our main method. Okay, in this main method, I will try to create object of utility class to give the feeling something is happening. Utility u is equal to new utility u is equal to new utility of, okay, utility u is equal to new utility of sysout u dot what is that? Get system date u dot get system date. Okay, now listen, he has written some code here. He will test the code locally. He will test the code by running the test.java as a Java application locally. Before he commit, he will test it. Okay, he gets some results. He is having satisfactory result. He is happy with the results. After getting satisfactory result, again he will go for what? Commit operation, commit and push operation. So go to staging directory. The moment modifications are done, okay, the modification will automatically reflects there. Come back, drag and drop to staged, commit and push. Okay, dev1 modified. You have to write valid reason here. Whatever activity you are writing, modified dev1 modified test1.java. Dev1 modified test1.java. Here is my what? Commit and push. Here is my what? Commit and push. Yes, here every time one hash code is coming, did you notice this? So it is nothing but revision number. Revision numbers won't come 1, 2, 3, 4. Internally, one hash code will be generated by using some SHA algorithm, and they will act as a revision numbers. Okay. Step number 10. Step number 10. Make TL getting the changes. Make TL getting the changes through pull operations. Make TL getting the changes through pull operation. SHA algorithm. Can we change? We need to change committer. No, committing message will come automatically. Make TL getting the changes through pull operation. Yes. Now observe. TL workspace is having test.java but emptiness. No, actually, developer has done some changes and I want to see those changes. And you want to see those changes, you have to again perform what operation here? Pull operation. We need to perform what operations here? Pull operation. Team, where is this? Pull. Team pull. Where is this? Finish. Yes. Changes have come here or not there? Changes have come here or not there, right? Now you got idea how developers will get the content from each other. I hope you got a clarity how developers will get the content from each other. Come on. Yes. Yesterday we got some technical problem. I think today also small problems are there because bringing tools setup in virtual meeting is horrible, boss. Because we should have hardware support, Zoom meeting support. Array, wait, worst fellow. Branches will be created one by one. Control. You got idea how team is getting each other changes? You got idea how team is getting each other changes or not? Okay, now let us delete here. Let us delete. Somehow they didn't like test.java. Okay, see, they didn't like test.java. They decided to delete test.java. Array hash codes will be same ra babu. Hash codes will be repository basis. Repository for every commit done on the repository, separate hash code will come. Yes, if files are not there, folders are not committing. Folders are not committing. That's one small bug that is there in the Git. Okay, fine. Shall we go further now? Array pull array right. Okay, so let's see here. Full patch we will do again and again. Full end patch we will do again. If you don't concentrate, I am helpless, boss. It's a process based. Certain processes cannot be repeated. It is a process based. We cannot understand. We cannot repeat certain processes. Please focus. Okay, boss. I want to delete, but before deleting, I want to see the history of the file here. As a TL or as someone, I want to see history of the file. Okay, let's see now. Okay, here, where is this option? Team, show in history. Team, show in history. Yes. Observe. Someone added, someone modified. Here, see the commit messages. See, both places TL is coming. Why? Because both places TL is coming. Why? Because we are working in the same machine. Even though we changed TL day1, day1, but one is overriding others one. So don't go by this. See this one. Right now, these two things are done. So we are able to see the history or not there. Suppose you want to see the history of the project itself. You want to see the history of the project itself. Okay, team show in history. Team show in history. Initial import test1.java added. Test1.java is modified. Everyone getting the history or not there. Please don't go by this. Don't go by this. Right now I'm having one machine. So whatever I configured for first window, that is reflecting everywhere. Even though I change dev1, dev2, also they are overriding only. If you have a three different machines, that time this problem will not be there. That's why go by commented messages. Everyone understood this point or not? Actually, don't think that everything is done by TL, but in both IDs, TL only configured. Yes. Suppose what is there in test.java, click on this. Okay, it is a project now, we cannot see this. Okay, let's go to one file. Let's go to the file, show in history. Yes, test1.java. See here, test1.java. It is comparing. It is the initial one. This is the current one. This is the current one. This is that particular version one. Like this, we can go for comparison also. Array, I said, Ra Babu, test1.java is added, but why it is still showing TL? As I said, in developer machine also, same settings are coming. You don't listen, Babu. Preferences. See here, Git. Preferences, team. Where is team? Where is team? Okay, team. Git. Configuration. Here also TL only coming. No, if you change dev here, there also it changes to dev. That's the problem. Okay, there also it will change this one. If you change dev here, in the other ID also, because all are there in the same mission now, boss. All are there in the same mission now. Are you getting my point? So that's why go by commit messages, don't go by author. Okay, at least we got idea how to see the history. Okay, step number 11. to see the history of the file. To see the history of the file. Okay. To see the history of the file, test.java team, what is this? Show in history. Show in history. Show in history. In that process, comparison with workspace, we can pick up the specific version and all these things can be done. All those things can be done. Yes. Can we come back? Come back to what? Normal window, package explorer. So close this window. That's not a issue now. Now I want to delete here. Okay. Somehow TL didn't like test.java. He decided to delete test.java. He decided to delete test.java. Okay, fine. Step number 12. Make TL to delete test.java file. Make TL to delete test.java file. Yes, go to TL workspace, right click, say delete. Right click, say delete. Okay, deleted. Go to git staging, then also you can delete any file. Okay. First listen. Next. Okay. So test.java deleted by TL. Commit and push. I'm going for commit and push. Commit and push. For every activity you do, one hash code will be generated. That is nothing but version number. So make this one. Step number 13. Make dev1. Make dev1. Yes, make dev1 to delete the file. Make dev1. Can you listen the class, please? Let the flow happen. Make dev1 to pull the project. Make dev1 to pull the project. Yes, I want to see dev1 getting this change, but still it is able to see this one. Now I want to see him getting the things one. So where is this team? Just say pull. Just say pull. Close. So now test.java disappear or not there. See, like this, each other changes are reflecting or not reflecting. Each other changes are reflecting or not reflecting. See, once project is kept in the repository, you cannot apply any restrictions. Deleting, not possible. Once you keep in the project, once you keep the project in the repository, all people will have equal rights. All people will have equal rights. For deletion, anything, equal rights will be there. Modification, everyone, anything can do anything because it is there in that place. Okay, now let us concentrate on how to get the conflicts and how to resolve the conflicts. How to get the conflicts. How to get the conflicts and how to resolve the conflicts. Everyone settled or not? No need of email ID, password of repository will be shared to team members by team leader. Team leader, is that clear? Team leader, developer will submit them while creating the repository. Fine, boss. Okay. Now let's go to next level discussion. Now I am talking about conflicts here. Getting conflicts and resolving the conflicts. Getting conflicts and array test file is deleted, Ra Babu. Where is your brain? Where is test file is not deleted? Test file is deleted or not deleted? Where are you seeing, man? Mr. Redmi. Test.java deleted. Package is not deleted. Test.java. See, boss, if you don't concentrate, it's better to stop the class. It's better to stop the class. I'm showing test.java deleted and people are asking why test.java not deleted. Yes, class only we deleted, na? Fine. Okay, boss. Now let's come back. Let's come back. Now I want to talk about conflicts. Getting conflicts and resolving conflicts. Getting conflicts and what? Resolving conflicts. Getting conflicts. Video, audio not coming. Check your network settings. Don't write message here. Okay. From there, my side, any problem is there, I will let you know. Video, audio not coming properly, please check your network settings. I don't want to see those messages again. If anything problem my side, I will inform. Or my admin people will inform. Okay. Getting conflicts and what? Resolving conflicts. So I will go to utility.java. What .java? Utility.java. Here I will add one method. Public void M1. Public void M1. Sysout. Utility M1 method. Okay, fine. He has to commit and push. Team. Okay, commit and push. Otherwise, changes are coming. Straight away, drag and drop. Commit and push. Commit message. Okay, fine. Utility.java modified. Commit and push. Utility.java modified. What is there? Commit and push. Close. Fine, boss. Commit utility. Dev1 has got the TL also got the changes. How? Team say pull. Close. Utility.java. Array. M1 method came here or not there? Yes, he also got the M1 method. Now both are stable, boss. Now I am modifying M1 method. Okay, I have added. TL is doing some modification. Everyone concentrate. Now our actual process starts. Okay, TL is modifying M1 method. Okay, by adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Some modification he has done. Sincerely, he has committed also. Team. Okay, the moment modification happens, this will reflect here. Both of them drag to here. Okay, commit message. TL modified utility.java. I'm writing shortcut there. Commit and push. Yes. Okay. Here, developer is doing one mistake. What is that mistake? The best practice is before you do any modification, first to pull, then go for modification. But he has done one mistake. Without doing pull operation, developer one also going to same utility.java, same line number 12, he is writing his own modification. Okay, what is his modification? A, B, C, D. See boss, TL, TL modified, committed and pushed it to the repository. Happy. Okay. Dev 1, without performing pull operation, going to the same line that is modified by TL, and he is doing his own modification ABCD. So that means here two modifications are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. ABCD is there. When dev 1 try to commit the modification, when dev 1 try to commit the modification, everyone concentrate. Team, when dev 1 try to commit the modification, some problems will come. Say commit, they come here. So commit message also I am trying to give. What is that? Dev 1 dev1 u dot java modify. You actually write some explanation. Commit and push. Commit and push. See boss, rejected non-fail fast. Rejected non. That means it is showing the conflicts. It is showing the conflicts. See, this error came, rejected non-fast forward means some problem is there. Close. So then this is getting the conflicts, getting the conflict. It is not allowing to push it, because without pull, okay, we are trying to modify the same code which is already modified by TL in the repository. Everyone getting my point or not? So problem is encountered, sir. But how dev1 knows, okay, what is the problem and how we get it TL copy, and how we can make a decision of which one should be there, which one should not be there. I think you understood the problem. What is the conflict? TL has modified and committed to repository. Dev 1 trying to modify same line without getting updated copy from the repository. Then if dev 1 is trying to commit to the repository, okay, push to the repository, we are getting error. Did you realize the error? So this is nothing but getting the conflict. But how to feel that conflicts are? Whenever that error comes, what we have to do, you know, right click, say team, say pull. Right click, say team, say pull. So when you say like that, it will show both versions here. It will show both version. In our local repository, ABCD is there. From the master branch, what has come? 1, 2, 3, 4 has come. This is conflict. This is conflict. You are trying to keep ABCD, but it is having what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the conflict. Are you understanding how to see the conflict? You got idea? How to see the conflict? You are getting idea or not? Come on, my dears. Chat got disabled. Fine. So no problem. Then what you do is you remove this version, what is written by you. What is written by you, you remove this version and try to keep the same code that is coming from the repository. Try to keep the same code that is coming from the repository. After that, you try to push once. You try to push, commit and push once. You try to commit and push once. If you want, you can write a message after resolving conflicts. After resolving conflicts, commit and push. Commit and push. Yes, close. Now problem is solved. Now problem is solved or not solved? Everyone got it? Very simple, boss. Make TL to modify code and commit it. Make developer 1 to modify the same line without pull. Then you will get fast forward error. Then make developer to pull. Make developer to pull. Then errors will be reflected. Yes. So then, okay, remove your modification, keep the repository modification, commit and push. So commit and push. Definitely conflicts will be resolved. Definitely conflicts will be resolved. Don't worry. Anyhow, this video will be there in the YouTube channel. Once again, watch it before doing your practicals. Is that clear? You got idea how to get the conflicts and how to resolve the conflicts? Okay, boss. Next. Now, I want to, now I'm interested. Yeah, conflicts will come when you try to modify the same code without pulling. So the best practice is always remember, before you do any modification in any code, first to pull, then modify, then tensions will not be there. Or before you do any modification, before you commit, before you push, make sure that you are pulling, then this tension will not be there. When you go to company, every day after going to company, the first work that we have to do is pull operation. The first work that you have to do is pull operation. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Before you do modification, okay, do pull operation. Before you commit, do pull operation. If needed, compare your copy with the repository copy also, no problem. Just now I have shown comparison concept also. Understanding my statement there or not there? Okay. Now, listen. There is one more concept, listen carefully. Ignoring certain files. Ignoring files or folders. Ignoring files or folders. Okay. Listen carefully. I kept one new folder, but I don't want to see that folder or file. I don't want to see that folder or file going to repository in any situation. Going to repository in any, that means I don't want to see it's a shareable. I don't want to see it's a shareable in the repository. Okay, then we can go for ignore option. Okay, ignoring files or folders, going to repository. Going to repository. Going to repository. See boss, some text documents are there, or I kept some document for my internal reference. That is for my reference, boss. As a developer, I kept documents for my reference. I don't want to share in the project. I kept for my text notes kind of thing. In my local English, with Butler English, I have written. To remember my task list, to remember my shortcuts. I kept for my reference. I have not kept to share in the repository. Mr. Anand, little boy, you got your idea? It is not for code. It is for text document which I kept for my reference. I hope you are understanding. Developer reference. I don't want to share in the repository. Okay, na? So like shortcut list or to-do list or priority list or one, two places, you have written weak code. You know it is weak code, but you are waiting team leader to tell this is weak code, but you don't have time to make it strong code, but somewhere you want to note it. Somewhere you have written compromised code. Later you want to improvise it, but you want to keep for yourself. You don't want to tell to others. At that time, we can ignore that folder going to that place. So suppose here is having one folder. Package is having package. com.nt.personal. com.nt.personal. In this, one file is, see, once it is there repository, you cannot ignore. Before going to repository only, you should ignore. Are you getting my point there? Super. He is writing one text document. Okay, I'm looking to write one text file. I'm looking to write one file. Okay. Okay, text file. Tell me here. So notes.txt. Notes.txt. Okay. So bug. What is that? Something here. Okay. Otherwise, I will write this one. Utility.java. using using date class later replace with calendar class. I'm keeping for my reference, boss. I'm keeping for my reference. But when I'm committing project, it should not go to repository. When I'm committing project, it should not go to repository. Then what? Team, there is an option called ignore. There is an option called ignore. Did you notice that? There is an option called ignore. Okay. Now you go to util.java. Okay. Now you go to util.java. Okay. Sys out ABC123. Some other modifications I have done. Now I will try to commit it. So while committing, okay, while committing, you select this one. You drag and drop all the four. So, first listen the class, Ra Babu. Okay. Now hiring process, all the things. Please don't disturb the flow. FF, commit and push. Go for what? Commit and push. So I have given some commit message. Done. Commit message is done. Okay. Now go to developer one. Acha, developer one only getting. Huh? Okay. Now go here. Say team. Pull. Util.java ABC123 has come, but there is no that folder. Personal folder came or not came? Personal folder came or not came? I want reply from you people. So that means we are able to ignore certain files going there or not. We are able to ignore certain files going there or not there. Convinced? Got it? Yes. Yes, we are ignoring. That's the use of ignore option. Everyone clear on this point? Yes. Okay, boss. Next, I'm going to talk about creating branch. Creating branches and merging branches. Anyhow, I'll share the document today itself. In the document, everything is there. Every procedure is there. Don't worry. In the document, every procedure is there. Don't worry. By evening, document will be in the group. Okay? Fine. Creating branches and what? Merging branches. Now, listen. First of all, who will create the branch? Generally, in the company, branches will be created by senior developer. Nothing but fine, boss. I got first level stability. Now I have a functionality to add OTP functionality. I have a functionality to add UPA payment. So these two functionalities together, I want to give to 3 members team here. So instead of making them working on the trunk copy and disturbing whole code from the top to bottom, let's create one copy of this trunk and make it as a branch and give that branch to what? The two members team or 3 members team. They will complete that OTP verification and what? UPA payment and mechanism. In that branch itself, they will do that. Once that work is done, they will merge back to the trunk. Once that work is done, they will merge back to the trunk. Everyone convinced with me? Come on. Are you listening? A branch is a cut or copy of trunk on certain revision for completing certain functionality. Functionality related coding will happen on the branch copy. Okay. Once functionality is completed, the branch will be merged back to the trunk. The branch will be merged. I said theory. The same theory is going to happen. Fine. Listen carefully. Go to Git repositories option. What option here? Go to what? Git repositories option. Go to what? Git repositories option. Okay, here there is one option called branches. There is one option called branches. Yes, local. Master is there. When you right click on it, there is an option called create branch. There is an option called create branch, and it is asking name of the branch. Okay. Functionality one. Okay. OTP. Branch one. OTP UPI. I am not going to develop that functionality, boss. People will work on multiple days on branches here. Today, only for knowledge sake, I am showing simple things. Okay. Now, observe. When you select it, when you select on it, it will act as a trunk copy. When you select on it, same project will reflect as a branch. Don't think that two different projects will come in the workspace. So that means switching from branch to trunk to branch in your workspace is very easy. You select on this, master branch is nothing but trunk in Git. Okay, here branch. So moving from branch to trunk, branch to branch is very easy in Git, boss. It's all about selecting and checking out. Okay, boss. But on this branch, developer one should work, not the TL. So developer one should get access to this branch or not? Come on. Developer one should get access to this branch or not? I want reply from you people. Developer one should get access to this branch or not? Developer one should get access to this branch or not? Yes. So now go to developer one. Everyone should focus. Right click, team. First, fetch from origin. What is that? Fetch from origin. Array is getting up to data. Why? Is getting up to date. Go to Git repositories. Make developer want to pull this one. Acha, 1 minute. Wait. TL. Okay, now is pointing to, yeah, it has to point to branch ball. It has to point branch. TL has created local branch. TL has created local branch. Let me push this branch, boss. Branch has to go to, sorry. Branch has to go to repository, na? Fine. Branch has to go to repository. See, boss. Now listen. Earlier branch is there in the local copy. Now it has to go to repository. See here. Now in remote also, branch is there, master is there. Local also, branch is there, master is there. What's the mistake I have done earlier? I just created local branch, but I have not put into the remote repository. So now I kept into the remote repository. Are you getting my point there or not there? So once again, TL has created trunk to branch, local. Then he pushed that branch. Since he pushed that branch, are worst fellow, listen, Mr. Venkat. Okay, he pushed that branch to what? Remote repository. Now it is reflecting in the remote repository. Now onwards, remember, local means local branch, local trunk. Remote means repository branch, repository trunk. Everyone please focus. Right. Now come to developer one. Now come to developer one. Right click. Tell me here. Team. Fetch from origin. Then you have to choose the branch. Close. You have to choose the branch. Close. After that, branches. Local. Yeah. Branch local. Observe very carefully. Origin branch one. Now what happened here? For developer one also it is appearing over here or not there? For a developer also it is appearing over here or not there. But now come to this place, say pull. Say what? Pull. Yes, yes. Okay. Here, not pull, you have to say checkout. Checkout. Checkout as a new local branch. Checkout as a new local branch. Yes. Checkout as a new local branch. Actually, there is no need. Yes. Checkout as a new local branch. Once again, see this. Once again, see this. Otherwise, if you are confused, 1 minute. I will go for what? I will go for what? I will. Once again, see the procedure. Go to dev1 machine. Go to what? Dev1 machine. Okay, what is the first work we have to do here? Go to dev1 machine. Team. Fetch from Verizon. Fetch from what? Verizon. Here branch will come. What will come? Branch will come. You have to select the branch. When you select the branch, okay, that's it. That will reflect over here. Once it is reflected here, right click, you say simply checkout. When you say checkout, what happened? In the developer one machine also, you will be having one branch, you will be having one master. Here also, we can move to master, we can move to branch. Once again, got it, everyone? Everyone, please respond. See, when you say fetch, when you say right click fetch, what happens? Branch will come to local repository. Branch will come to local repository. Okay, when you say checkout, that will reflect to over here. When you say checkout, that will reflect to over here. Now, what is this? In a team leader, we are having one branch and trunk. And in the developer, we are having one branch and trunk. Agree with me? Okay, now what I do, in order to complete my functionality one, what I do is, I will make a team leader adding one .java file. Okay, next developer having one .java file. Let us assume functionality one code will be completed with the support of both .java files. Okay, first we are in the developer one and checkout one is what? Local branch. Checkout one is what? Local branch. Come here, beans. Here is my new class f1.java. What dot Java? f1.java. Functionality one related code.java. In this functionality related code 1.java, let us assume I am taking one X method. Public void X, sysout, systrace X, systrace X. Okay, first commit this one, Make sure that branch one is there. It is also pointing to branch one. Team, commit, come here, commit and push. Okay, what is this? Dev one, branch commit. See, anyone can create branch, but generally TL creates the branches. Commit and push. Commit and push. Okay, fine, boss. Now let the TL get changes to that branch. Let the TL get changes to this branch. Okay. Go to TL workspace. Go to TL workspace. Make sure that is pointing to branch. Is pointing to the branch. Fine. Team. Say pull. Say pull. Yes. Now come here. F1.java is reflecting to branch one or not there. F1.java is reflecting to branch one or not. I want reply. Please be active. Now, he will add one more thing. F2 is having Y method. What method? Y method. Y method, yes, is having what? Y method, systrace. Don't think about seriousness of the code. Don't think about seriousness of the code. Systrace, Y method. Let him commit. Let him commit to the repository. Say commit. It will reflect here both commit and push. What is this? Commit and push. TL branch 1 f2.java. So actually there is a rhythm to write those messages also. Right now I'm writing some dummy messages. Don't worry. Every company will, they will give different guidelines to write those messages. Fine. Next, let us make developer one getting those changes. Developer one getting those changes. What is this? Pull. What is this? Pull. Super na? Right. Okay. Developer one also tested here. TL also tested. Functionality is working super. Now we decided to merge. Now we decided to what? Merge. Merge what? Branch with trunk. He decided to merge a branch with the trunk. Generally, TL only creates the branch. TL only merges the branch with what? Team leader only or project leader only merges the branch with what? Trunk. So shall we see how to merge? How to merge here? First, make sure that you are in the master copy. You are in the master copy. In the master copy, observe there is no f1.java, f2.java. Did you notice this? But in the branch copy, it is there. In the branch copy, it is there. That means still master copy is not updated having branch functionality. So now what should I do? I have to merge it. In order to merge it, what should I do? Right click, merge option is there. Option is there or not there? Merge option is there. Yes. With what you want to merge? I want to merge with branch 1. I want to merge with which code? Branch 1 code. I want to merge with which code? Branch 1 code. Yes. Yes. Now, but that is happening local only. That is happening still local only, not reflected to repository. Please notice that. Still not reflected to repository. But observe very carefully. Right now, active one is master. We are able to see F1, F2 or not. We are able to see F1, F2 or not. Moreover, right click. Tell me here. Team, say push to version, because no modifications are done. Push to version. So now modifications will reflect to remote repository. Now modifications will reflect to remote repository. Now I want to see developer also getting those modification in the trunk copy. Developer also getting those modification in the trunk copy. See this? Now in the trunk copy of developer, F1, F2 are not there. So since I push it to remote repository, I have to pull. Developer one also pulling. So now trunk copy got updated or not? Trunk copy got updated or not? Everyone comfortable on creating branch and merging branch? Creating branch and merging branch. Create branch locally, then make it as a remote branch. Make developer one team leader working on the branch, adding new files and all the things. Okay. Then merge that local branch to local trunk, and later push that trunk to remote. Push to remote. Lots of people will do local merge, local branching. Okay. Okay, they will forget to do remote repository. They forget to push to remote repository. Don't forget that. Please don't forget that. Once again, I give the simple steps. Listen carefully. How can we create branches? By writing commands? Sorry, if you are working in Windows setup Eclipse, no need of working with the commands. Please, you are not a Unix or Linux admin to do all these things. Windows people will do three like this only. Windows people will do like this only. Okay, once again tell me what I said. Go to master branch, nothing but trunk. Create local branch. Commit, it becomes commit and push, it become remote branch. Make developer one. Okay. Okay. Make developer one. Make developer one. Getting that branch as a local branch. Okay, make TL and what developer working on the branch by adding new resources, modifying the code. Make branches code updated to remote repository. Fine. Now make TL to merge repository with what trunk locally. Once updated, push to remote repository and make developer one getting that remote repository trunk copy. Make that developer one getting remote repository trunk copy. Everyone and enjoyed this point. Come on. Anyhow, procedure is recorded. You can download and see that. Sir, what about creating tags, sir? What about creating tags, sir? Creating tag. Now my process is what? Creating tag. Creating tag. Tag is a read-only copy. Okay, after releasing to mark what we released. After releasing to mark what we released. To mark what we released, we have a tag option. To mark what we released, we have a tag option. Everyone getting my point? How to delete project from repositories? How to delete project from repository? You delete the repository, automatically go. But once it is there in Git, we cannot delete from Git boss. Yes, if 2 branches are there, same story. 10 branches are there, same story. Please. Same story. Conflict history will not be there, Babu. Can I get the deleted file? You cannot get the deleted file. Can we come back? Can we concentrate on tag? Can we concentrate on tag? Array, how to revert pushed code? Yeah, go to certain version, click on that version, you will get the pushed code. Fine. Array, trunk branches are visible to everyone. We cannot restrict. We cannot restrict. Please. No, branches will not be removed. Branches will be there like that only. Branches will not be removed. Don't remove branches. Okay, no need of removing branches. Okay, they will be there, but we don't touch them. That's it. We cannot release project from branch. Release will happen from trunk only. Releases will happen from trunk only. Array, if trunk is having stable code always, there is no question of getting conflicts. There is no question of getting conflicts. And 2 different functionalities dealing with the same file, conflicts may come. But generally 2 different functionalities, they don't touch same file. They don't touch same file. If they touch, conflicts may be there. If they touch, conflicts may be there. Okay, shall I move further? Shall I move further? Yes, let me go for tag creation. Creating tag is very simple here. Create tag 1-release 1.0. Release 1.0. Make sure that I am pointing to master branch. Okay. Create tag and start push. Start push. Because of push, what happens? Because of push, what happened? Tag also will be kept in the repository. Tag also will be kept into the remote repository. Yes, close. Tag has come here. Tag has come. Can we check out the tag? Yes. Can we check out the tag? Yes. But if you modify tag, it won't take the modification. Suppose it is a tag, but I'm intentionally modifying it. ABC. Save it. This is pointing to tag only. This is pointing to tag only. I'm intentionally trying to commit also. It looks like it is allowing. It looks like it allowing. Say commit and push. Choose which branch to remote version you want to push. It is not allowing to do modification on the tag. Did you realize that? Error is coming. Error is coming. Again, go to Git repository. Are left side my image and chat box only there, worst fellow. Okay, once again click on tag. When you click on tag, observe modifications gone. That means we cannot do any modification. We cannot do any modification. Did you realize that? I try to modify. Once again, see this. I try to modify tag code. Tag code. And I'm trying to commit also. Commit also. Let me save. Commit also. Some message also I kept. We are getting error. We are getting error. Sir, modifications are there na? Not there. You once again, you try to check out the tag copy. When you check out the tag copy, you got the code back. You got the code back. Everyone got it? Tag copy, tag code cannot be modified. Now you go and verify remote repository, boss. There will be 3 folders. One trunk folder, trunk project, branch project, and tag project. Total 3 things will be there in the remote repository also. The last topic is there. Let me go for stashing. I think you might have not heard this concept. Concentrate on this. Stashing. Stashing. Listen carefully. Can we take tag on entire project? Waste fellow, right now I have done that only. Sai Teja. Right now from master only I created tagra waste fellow. After releasing, till what date we release, that will be kept in tag. After that again we complete, we add more branches, we add more functionality, we merge it to trunk. Next release, after next release, one more tag. After next release, one more tag. Okay, can we come back? Stashing. Listen, very interesting concept here. Very interesting concept. Saves uncommitted changes. Uncommitted changes allows to reuse later. Allows to reuse later. Allows to release later. Allows to reuse later. Can you come back? Can you come back? Can you come back? Allows to reuse later. See, boss, keeping tag in remote repository is up to you. You may keep, you may not keep. So create a tag, pushing tag is your choice. You want to make a copy of tag content also in remote repository, keep it. Otherwise, ignore it. Otherwise, you maintain tags locally also. That's up to you, boss. That's up to you. That's why they have given 2 options: create a tag and create and push tag. Okay, now right. Come back. Okay, fine. Come back. TL, not TL. Developer one. Developer one. So now he is in the branch, boss. He checked out the branch. We checked out the branch. Okay. Now let me clear one thing. Once you place any project in the repository, you cannot delete from the repositories. Use of tag. Mr. Anand, Mr. Little Boy, you missed introduction. I'll murder you. You should have a common sense. You should have a common sense of asking such fundamental questions now. Tag is a Qatar copy of trunk. okay, which is read-only copy. After releasing project, to mark which we release, that will be maintained as one tag. After giving demonstration of the project, to mark which we have demonstrated to client, we will mark as a tag. We'll mark as a tag. Okay, na? Fine. People won't change here. What is this? Let's come back. Let's come back. What's the use of listening Git second time without knowing tag? Jump into the dryness, waste fellow. Tell me here, without knowing tag, is it good to complete SVN or Git kind of tools? Mr. Little Boy learning Git second or third time and he forgotten what is a tag. Such a waste fellow. Don't show your talents. Yes, you can merge multiple branches to trunk, no problem. Yes, I'm coming back. Stashing, let me complete first. Let me complete stashing, boss. Okay, I checked out branch here. I checked out branch. Okay, I'm adding M2 method. M2 method completed. I'm happy. But M2 method is completed and M2 method completed and I committed also. Committed and push. Committed push. We are happy, boss. We are happy. M2 method committed this one. Right. Now I'm developing M3 method. M3, we are in the middle, boss. We are in the middle of the M3. Still not completed. Okay. Still not completed. But already 50% code is written. Let us assume 50% M3 code is written. But TL said that I cannot wait. I have to merge my branch with trunk. I have to merge my branch with the trunk. So what is the problem now? I may lose these changes. Yes or no? Na? I may lose these changes. Are you getting my point there? So that's why try to keep in a stash copy. Try to keep it as what? Stashing copy. Try to keep it as what? See, I don't want to commit this M3. I don't want to commit M3. Why? Because it is an incomplete one. Come on. I don't want to commit this M3. It is incomplete one. But when I merge branch to trunk, I may lose this M3 because it is incompleted. Yes or no? Na? Because it is what? Incompleted. So what I want to do is I want to save temporarily so that later I can reuse. Are you getting my point? Later I can reuse. So that means I have some incomplete work, but I don't want to save. I don't want to commit because that is incomplete. But after a few days, I want to get it back and I want to reuse. After a few days, I want to get it back and I want to reuse. Then you have to keep in what? Stashing. You have to maintain that one in what? Stashing. So go to utility.java, team. Oh, what is this? Why that option is not coming? Go to utility.java. That's nice. Okay. Team. Stashing is not coming. Okay, right click on the project, team, there is the stashes option, stash changes. I'm taking one change. What is that? Dev1 stash 1. Okay, M3 method. What method? M3 method. Some meaningful name I am giving. Okay, now that disappeared. Now that is disappeared. Okay, they have given some other task. What is other task? M4 method development. Everyone focus. M4 method development. You completed done. You completely done that. And you have committed also. You completely done that and you have committed also. Now tell me here. Now M3 will be committed or will not be committed? M3 code will be committed or will not be committed? Yes. Go to repositories. Check out the master. Check out the master. Go for merging. Go for merging. Merge. Merge. Merge with branch. Yes. Done. Now check out the master. Check out the master. What he got? M2, M4, not the M3. Not the M3. Everyone got it? Okay, now quite relaxed time has come. So now developer decided to complete that M3. Developer decided to complete that M3. Come on. So now he's in the branch. Now he's in the branch. Okay, here is utility.java. M3 code is not there, but he kept in a he kept as a stashed copy. Remember that? He kept as a stashed copy. Remember that? Come on. Right click, team, stashes, dev1 stash M3. Dev1 stash M3. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Here there is a button. Apply stashed changes. Apply stashed changes. Apply stashed changes. Utility.java. What dot Java? Utility.java. Fine, whatever it is. Okay, forget about these changes. He got M3 back or not? He got M3 back or not? Come on. He got M3 back or not? What do you say? Maybe M4 is modified in the same lane where it is modified. That problem has come. But he got M3 back or not? Say something, my dears. Yeah, temporarily he has unstable changes he has saved. And whenever he got the free time, whenever he got the time to complete the incomplete work, he is coming and doing. Anyone can use the stashed changes. Anyone can use the stashed changes, not only developer one. Not only developer one, anyone can see the stashed changes. Okay, then he will complete M3. Then he will complete M3. Come on. Then he will complete M3. Super. After that, he will say team commit. They will reflect here. Yes, message, commit and push. Commit and push. Yes, commit and push. Go to developer one, everything will come here. Okay, commit and push. So I think he has to go to repository branch one. He is in the branch one only. Right. Go for what? Team pull. Team pull. All the changes will come. All the changes will come. M3 is coming or not there? M3 is coming or not there? Everyone got the clarity now? Once you create your projects and repositories as public, once you create your project and repositories as public in Git, there is no question of deleting those repositories, deleting projects that are kept in the repository. So that's why don't ask me how to delete kind of thing. TLPL, senior people will do. Merging work will be done by creation of branch, merging of branch will be done by TL. If it is public, we cannot delete. Some extra privileges are required. Can we make branch for our use only and make no one can see that branch in Git? No one can see that branch in Git. As of now, no. As of now, no. With the privileges what we got as a public repository. Developer, see boss, if you are a senior developer, he may give that chance to you. But generally, this kind of big works will be done by big developers. That means senior developers. Stashing can be done on master also. But generally in master, we'll maintain stable copy. We don't maintain unstable copy. Doing stashing in master, technically possible, conceptually wrong. I don't know, yaar. Can we make public repository as private repository? I never experimented. Please go and check once. Commit will go to local repository only. Right now, I didn't find any lock options in Git boss. Yes, if you delete certain file, okay, if it is not pushed to repository, if it is not pushed to repository, if it is not, array, if you want to see stashing after recording, go and see worst fellow. It is a YouTube channel uploaded, na. Go and see it, na. I really didn't understand people mindset here. Can you repeat stashing again? Anyhow, it is uploaded. Can't you see the procedure there? Please don't be LKG, UKG students, Ra Babu. Today, by evening, today document will come. By today evening, document will come. How to roll back code once commit rollback is done. How to roll back the code. See the history, click on one version and get it. Yes, in the Natraj Java arena, I will share the document. Natraj Java arena. Natraj Java arena is the group. From there you can collect it. Natraj Java arena. I didn't find any lock option in the Git so far. Get right now, time is not there to demonstrate that. Okay. Time is not there. I just said the procedure. Get the history. Mr. Kumar Kotturu, I will murder you. If you put 100 times also, I will give the same answer. Don't show your talent. Yes, today Git is over. Today Git is over. We'll announce next tool very soon. We'll announce next tool very soon. Sir, someone is asking, can you different mission, array different mission, multiple IDEs, one mission, multiple IDEs, process is same, Nara Babu. If it is possible, why I will allow it? Why I will avoid it? You send request to group, we will accept that. Yes, anyone can send request, you will get it. Yeah. Differences between Git and SVN will be there in the document, because after seeing this, you can compare both. After seeing this, you can compare both. Fine. Thank you. I think yesterday we got some technical problem, except that I hope everything went smooth. Except that everything went smooth. Everyone, can you tell me your feedback? Yesterday small technical problem has come. Total classes got vanished, not only our session. Yes, remaining tools will be conducted here. We are just trying to. I hope you benefited. I want your feedback. No, forget about technical issues here. Technical issues, system slowness in the system, technical issues I cannot address. Tomorrow Go language workshop is there. Go language. Tomorrow Go language workshop is there. Yeah, it's a process based here. If you miss any navigation process, please go and watch video. You will get the clarity. Don't mention it as a GitHub. Mention it as a Git. Git, Go language will be other faculty here. I too don't know. Go language. Yes, I hope my efforts are worked out. See, I have a limited infrastructure here. In one laptop, I tried my level best to bring that effect, because my system is not having high-end processor also, high-end RAM also, but still I tried my level best to bring that effect. If it is classroom, it would be a different model. I would have taken 1 2 testers, 1 2 developers, but in my limited infrastructure, I tried my level best. Yes, today onwards you can practice. Array, your question got rolled out here. Tomorrow 10 o'clock, Go language. Anyone can attend. It's a new language. We will discuss. We will discuss when even will be there. Like, we'll update you. I don't know other faculty. I am not taking Go language. As long as Java is there, I will take. Yeah, I'll announce. I'll keep in the group. I'll keep in the group. Agile model also. Array, lot of things here. Lot of things. Yes, majority, like 99% people saying that you tried your level best to present things. Yes, I am saying now, though I have infrastructure and networking issues, I tried my level best to bring the effect of Git. That company environment, one team leader, one developer, he is getting that changes, that he is getting this changes. Yes, yes, all tools are in the plan. All tools are in the plan. Tomorrow, no Git class here. I'll share the document by night. No, if everything permits, back to back tools will be there. Back to back tools will be there. You just follow Natraj Java Arena or Naresh IT website, you will get to know. You will get to know. Thank you. Selenium, I cannot take. It's a testing tool department. People will take. Testing tools, people will take. Fine, boss. Thank you. We'll get back to you. We'll get back to you. Someone is asking about rebase. I will answer in my group. I will answer in my group. Right now, I cannot talk. I have another session to address. People are talking about rebase also. I will put a document about rebase in the group. Don't worry. Thank you. Okay. If you encourage me like this, I will try to plan more and more workshops. Please don't blame me for technical issues. Okay. Don't blame me for infrastructure issues. For remaining else, I am ready to take. Any content problem, presentation problem, I am ready to take. But don't put me infrastructure and what technical issues. Fine. I tried my level best. I will try to improve my infrastructure and technical problems also. I'll try to get rid of them. Natraj Java Arena is my group name. Thank you. Have a nice time. All the best. And if you have any queries, you can send to my email ID, nataraj@gmail.com. No WhatsApp groups. We don't maintain any WhatsApp groups. Yeah, tomorrow regular classes are there. Tomorrow regular classes are there as usually. New batch of JDBC 9 o'clock. See, boss, we are waiting for a Prime Minister announcement. We are just waiting for Prime Minister announcement. Let's see what happens. Based on that, new batches will be announced. Right. Thank you. I'm ending the session. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Today, all classes will be there. All classes are there. My internet is back. My net is back. I worked hard to set the net very fastly. Today, all classes will be there.